Welcome to my video Accounting Tips for Beginners. In previous video, I presented how to understand accounting definition by connecting with the help of accounting cycle and process. I also introduced three basic terms, that means capital, assets and liabilities, which is inevitable for framing accounting equation. Today, I would like to introduce a new topic about various branches of accounting, otherwise called as types of accounting. Types of accounting or branches of accounting. Accounting is the primary source of information about the day-to-day working of a business. So, it is necessary to understand branches of accounting, which is otherwise called as types of accounting. Types of accounting consist of financial accounting, which is related with finance, management accounting, which deals with management activities, cost accounting, which deals with cost related techniques and methods, tax accounting, which is related with tax, government accounting, which is related with government related activities, human resource accounting, which is related to human cost, responsibility accounting, which is related to responsibility cost, inflation accounting, it is related to price fluctuations, social accounting, which is related to social commitment towards society, environment accounting, which is related to nature. Based on these types of accounting, we can understand the types of accounting information. Accounting is an information system which receives data inputs, processes the same, and gives its output in the form of information which is useful for decision making. So, accounting information provides adequate information to the interested users in a processed form. Now, let us understand the types of information which each category of users will seek to facilitate decision making, that are investors, lenders, management, employees, suppliers, customers, government and regulatory agencies, security analysts and advisors. Based on this category, users of accounting information are classified into two: internal users, external users. Internal users consist of proprietors or owners, management, employees. External users consist of government, bankers, creditors, investors, consumers, researchers, competitors, trade association, other persons like security analysts and advisors. So we can say that there exist various types of accounting or branches of accounting and various users of accounting information. From this, we can conclude that accounting information is beneficial to different interested users. The type of accounting information each user will require depends and varies according to his requirements and area of application. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, you may subscribe it and mention your comments.